today I'm going to show you how to make some short crust pastry. So in my bowl I have got 100 grams of flour and 50 grams of butter. This is, for short crust pastry, half fat to flour. Okay, I'm going to put my cubes of butter into my flour. With my fingertips, because they're the coldest part of my hand, I am going to cover the butter with the flour. And I'm going to use the rubbing in method to rub in the fat to the flour. And the way you do that is with your fingertips, cover it with flour and squish it in your fingers. And just rub that fat into the flour. You rub in the butter until it's like breadcrumbs. If you give it a shake, all the big bits will come to the top. That's really fine, just like that. Next, with a table knife, make a well in the centre of your mixture. Using icy cold water, put in a tablespoon at a time. You should probably need about, for this amount, 2 tablespoons. Okay. Then, with a table knife, stir your mixture. Now you're using a table knife instead of a spoon, so all the mixture doesn't get clogged onto the end of your spoon. Test your mixture by just squeezing it in your hands. If it's still a little bit dry, add your 3rd tablespoon of water. So, when your mixture looks like that and it's clearly starting to stick together, that is the right amount of water. At this point, get your hand in and try to get all of the mixture into a ball. As you can see, the ball of pastry has come out of the bowl cleanly. Now at this point, what you need to do is put it into a plastic bag or cling film, put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. When you're ready to roll out your pastry, when it comes out of the fridge, it'll be nice and firm. Place it onto a floured surface and using a rolling pin, don't need too much flour because you'll make your pastry dry, roll it out to about 3 millimeters thickness. So hey, there you have it, short crust pastry. If you wanted to make a sweet one, you just add a tablespoon of sugar to the mixture. If you didn't understand what I just tried to say, my daughter behind the camera is laughing at me and pulling faces right now. If you wanted to make a sweet pastry, you'd have added a spoonful of sugar before you added the water.